The world has faced moments that changed everything, from ancient floods to modern wars. These are the greatest events that shaped human history. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. In the ancient world, great floods were said to wipe out civilizations. The story of Noah's flood remains one of the oldest tales of survival. Around the same era, legends spoke of a lost island called Atlantis, swallowed by the sea. In 2600 BC, the Egyptians built massive pyramids that still stand thousands of years later. By 1200 BC, the Israelites began their great exodus, a journey that shaped faith for generations. Around 1180 BC, kingdoms clashed in what became known as the Trojan War. In 753 BC, a small settlement grew into the mighty city of Rome. By 323 BC, the death of Alexander the Great ended one of history's largest empires. In 4 BC, the birth of Jesus Christ marked the beginning of a new era. In 79 AD, Mount Vesuvius erupted and buried Pompeii under ash and fire. In 476 AD, the great Roman Empire finally fell, ending centuries of dominance. By 622 AD, Islam began to spread across continents, changing world history forever. In 1206 AD, the Mongols rose under Genghis Khan, conquering lands from Asia to Europe. In 1347 AD, the Black Death swept through Europe, killing millions. In 1492 AD, Columbus reached the Americas, connecting two worlds for the first time. From the 1500s to the 1800s, colonial expansion reshaped nations and divided the world. During the 1800s, the Industrial Revolution transformed human life through machines and progress. In 1912, the Titanic sank, taking over 1,500 lives to the ocean floor. In 1914, World War I began, the first global conflict in human history. In 1939, World War II erupted, changing the world forever. In 1945, the atomic bomb was dropped, ending the war but beginning the nuclear age. In 1948, the Arab-Israeli War began, marking the start of the Palestinian conflict. From 1947 to 1991, the Cold War divided the planet between East and West. In 1969, humans stepped on the moon for the very first time. In 2003, the U.S. invasion of Iraq began, sparking conflict across the Middle East. In 2004, a massive tsunami struck the Indian Ocean, killing hundreds of thousands. In 2020, a deadly pandemic spread across the globe and changed life forever. And in the 2020s, artificial intelligence began to reshape how humans live, work, and think. History keeps repeating itself, and every era leaves behind a story to learn from. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. More powerful stories are coming soon.